Hi, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're looking at this absolutely stunning Kawasaki Z900. It's Kawasaki's middle-sized sports naked street fighter, radically revised in 2017. These bikes are lighter, they've got more power, about 123 horsepower. This particular bike's a 2018, one owner from new, full service history. It's covered just over 4,000 miles. So let's give you a walk around it so you can see what you're getting. So this bike will have a new front tyre. The front tyre is absolutely knackered and needs replacing. It's probably the original, so we will do that before the bike goes. Massive wavy discs on these as kind of signature with Kawasaki's now. Got the ABS track there, so as you can see the bike does come with ABS and obviously dual calipers. Really cool styling, very similar to the Z1000. So you got this really aggressive front end with these little winglets on the side of the front headlight. And then a colour-coded screen on there. So obviously you can see it's like this lime green accent all over the bike, which looks really, really cool, and these sort of titanium flecks everywhere, and it's a really, really cool looking bike this. Pretty much standard. It's not had a great deal done to it. As you can see, it's got a tail tidy on it and some bar ends, but other than that, it's been left alone. So you might want to change things like the exhaust, and those are all things that we can quote you on. We offer a little bit of discount when you buy it from us, when you buy the bike. And we do offer to fit for free, so that might be something that you're interested in. Let us know. Cosmetically, the bike's in really nice condition. There's a couple of little marks. So there's a mark just on the end of the exhaust there. Really common with these matte black exhausts to get marked. There's a couple of little marks just on the underside here of the finish on the engine casing, possibly where someone's lent the bike on something. But other than that, cosmetically, the paint's in really nice condition. No big scratches, bangs, or marks of any kind. Coming around the front, you've got this really sort of aggressive front end, but quite familiar for Kawasaki. It's very similar looking to the old Z800s and the old Z1000s. Again, on this side, cosmetically, the bike's in really nice condition. No signs of any big bangs, drops, scrapes, or anything like that. As you can see, it's a really, really nice, clean bike. Chain and sprocket's got loads of life left in them. It looks like it's had a really recent rear tyre. It's a Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa on the back. But like I said, the front tyre was probably the original and will be replaced before it goes. The bike's been serviced up to date, but it does need its oil service. It is due. So again, that will be done on the bike before we deliver or you collect. We've got all the manuals, service manuals, 2 keys and stuff like that. So we've got partially digital dash and then partially, it's not quite analog because you get the lights go around it, and it's actually the analog part of it is inside the digital bit, so it's actually quite cool. You've obviously got a fuel gauge, which is nice and somewhat of a novelty on bikes now. You've got your gear position indicator there, obviously your ABS, and there you can see the mileage, 4,804 miles. Let's give the bike a start up for you. Let's just see some of the cleaning materials burning off the exhaust there. It's a really clean and tidy bike. It's a great street fighter, probably comparable to something like a street triple or you know, something of that sort of ilk. As I said, it's one owner from new, full service history. The bike will come with a 3-month warranty from us, including roadside assistance. Not that you should need it, it's nearly a new bike. We're also offering free delivery as well for the time being, so try and take advantage of that while you still can. I don't know how long that's going to last. We do offer finance and part exchange as well. If that's something that you're interested in, you'd like to ask us any questions, you can do so via WhatsApp, Facebook. We've got live chat on our website and on Auto Trader. And of course, you can either pop in or give us a call for a chat. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.